Sarah, bring your slate. Ready, ah? Adarsh, where is your hair, Adarsh? Chacho, what happened to your hair? Adarsh, hair enga? Motte adichacha. Very nice, looks perfect now. Yeah, good morning, both of you. Good morning. What, Pranavi and Praveen are singing song, ah? Are you singing? Pranavi, Pravina, பாட்டா பாடுறீங்க? Okay, children, ready with your slate?
Okay, Adya, okay.
Nothing, ma. Mute yourself. Pranavi, Pravina, mute yourself. No, ma, nothing. Good morning. I said just good morning. Okay? Yeah, good morning. Take your slate. Okay. Take your slate. I want you to write number. Write number 1. Write number 1.
1 likho.
1. Write number 1 and show it to me.
1 लिखे मैम को दिखा जल्दी. इस बॉक्स से इस पे. बॉक्स में.
1.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
स्टैंडिंग में बना दो.
Yes.
Ma'am, Nimalan wants to show his new box to you, ma'am. He's calling for long
Okay,
time.
show ma, Nimalan.
காட்டு. இப்படி திருப்பி காட்டு.
Very good, Adya.
Yeah, pink color box, very nice. Mickey Mouse box, very nice. Super box. Okay, now start writing 1. Did you all write 1? Okay. Yeah, very good. Now erase the number. Yeah, welcome, Kana. Come on, write, start writing. Erase the number and write 3. 3.
बता दो 3.
3.
Ma'am, look at this, ma'am.
Yeah, very good.
Okay,
3. Number 3.
लिखा था ना उसने. ये रहा 3.
No, 1, 2, 3. Don't write 1, 2, 3. Whatever number I'm telling you, that alone you have to write. Don't write 1, 2, 3 and all.
Hello, ma'am.
3. Yes, ka. Yes, who's this?
Kadambari's mom, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me,
She's
Kadambari's mom.
She's not feeling well today.
Okay.
Fever
Just attending class, ah?
and cold. No, ma'am. I just want to inform you.
For informing you logged in. Okay, thank you. No issues. Take care. Okay, take care. 3 finish. Come on, show me a slate number 3. Let me also write number 3.
चलो वो देखो मैम लिख रही है 3.
3. Very good, all of you have written 3. Adarsh, write number 3.
लिखो. ऐसे लिखो पहले.
Jaldi लिखो आद्या.
पहले ऐसे.
Come on, write. 1 curve, another curve, double curve. 3.
Very good.
Very good. Very good, Nakshatra. Well done. Now erase it. Erase it with a duster.
फिर ऐसे. ना फिर.
Yeah, I'll be back, children. 1 minute.
नो बेटा, क्या कर रहे हो आप? यहाँ से देखो ऐसे. अब लिखो यहाँ.
Very good, children. 3 finish. Okay, now the next number. Come on. Next number is 5. 5. Will you write 5? Sleeping line, standing line, and a curve. 5. 5. See here, sleeping line, standing line, and a curve. 5.
5 बना 5.
Very good, Nitish.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, welcome. Adarsh, what are you writing? Let me see, Adarsh.
Sir, 5 लिख 5. ये रहा 5.
5.
ठीक है, बनाओ sleeping line. sleeping line
Very
बनाओ.
good, Nimalan. Very good, Yukta.
Very good. Very good, very good.
Adarsh, mom, what he has written? Let me see.
Beautiful.
He has written this one. It's not
What
writing.
is that? You write and give it to him, let him trace. Yes? Very good, Tilakar. Very good, Sara. Good. Adya have written? Adya, I can't see the number in your slate, Adya. Very lightly she has written. Good. Okay. Yeah, I can see. Very good, Adya. Very good, Nakshatra. Okay, now erase it. Now the next number is going to be 7. Sleeping line. See here first, a sleeping line. Slanting line. 7. 7.
Gobi, 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 gobi.
What, ma, Adarsh? Very good, ma, Nitish. Very good, and Adarsh, you have written 5. Good.
7.
7. Well done. Very good, Shravanya. Good.
Ma'am, Srinija also written.
Very good, Srinija. Well done. Pranavi Pravina has written number 7. Good morning. How many times will you say good morning? Confused, Nimalan. Etana what is good morning? Very good, ma. Nakshatra, good. Very good. Adarsh, good. Sara, let me see your number.
He finished, ma'am,
7.
so he's playing, ma'am.
Yeah, that's it. 7 cutting, Sara. Show me. Very good. 7. Okay, now the next number is 9. See here. 9. A circle like thing. Go up, come down. 9. Children, nobody should write 9 in this way. இப்படி 9 எழுதவே கூடாது. ஸ்டாண்டிங் லைன் போட்டு ஒரு கர்வ் இப்படி போடவே கூடாது. That is wrong. இப்படி எழுதாதீங்க. No one should write. Okay? 9, how you have to write is, see. Like this, go up and come down. Like small letter A, how will you write? You'll draw a curve, go up, come down. No, like that you have to write. No one should write. Yes. Very good, ma. Pranavi Pravina. Okay, fine. Fine. Finish 9. Very good. Very good, ma. Nakshatra, how you have written 9 like this, sir? Is this the way you write 9? No. 9 like this also you should not write. Circle. You like this also, that is wrong. Don't write like that. Like small letter A. எப்படி small letter A எழுதுவீங்க? From a curve, you come like this. Go up, come down. Stretch it down. That's it. 9. Initially, you should know how to write the numbers, children. Then you can't change the way of writing. ரொம்ப கஷ்டமா இருக்கும் அப்புறம். லைக் ஏ ஸ்மால் லெட்டர் ஏ எப்படி எழுதுவோம்? கர்வ் மாதிரி போட்டு மேலே போய் கீழே வருவோம் இல்லையா? அதே மாதிரி எழுதணும். லைக் அ கர்வ், யூ கோ அப் அண்ட் கம் டவுன் ஆன் த சேம் லைன். வெரி குட், சாரா. Good. Well done, Shravanya. Good. Nitish, how did you write 9? Curve போட்டு லைன் போட்டாங்களா?
Ah.
No. Curve. Go up and come in the same line.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Chandan, you put
Okay,
it.
now next number is 8. Children, 8. 8. 8. Pranavi, Pravina, write number 8. Yukta, finish. Good, Yukta. 8. Just to show your slate, children, enough. Okay, you need not unmute yourself. Just to show me your slate. Very good. Nobody should write 2 circles போடக்கூடாது யாருமே. See, like this, no drawing 2 circles. It is wrong. Circle போட்டு 8 பண்ணக்கூடாது. No. Okay, 8 வந்து like yes, you have to write and then like this. Connect both the ends. 8. Nobody should draw circle for 8. 2 circles if you draw and make it 8, that is wrong, children. Don't do it in that way. Parents, please be sure whether they are not doing in that way. If they are doing it like that, correct them. Okay, now the next number is finish. 8. Very good. Very good, Yukta. Yukta, Sara, Nakshatra. Good. Nitish. Tilakar. Finish. Finish kar liya, Adya. 8.
No, ma'am, she has little confusion in it.
Come on.
She can make the S, but she can't join the edges.
Join this edge and this edge. Join करो ऐसे. ऐसे join करो ऐसे. 2 edges. You have 2 edges, no, Adya? Written yes, Adya. इधर देखो. ऐसे यहाँ एक edge है ना, इसे यहाँ से यहाँ तक ले आओ. 8. You can write. Come on, Adya. I'm watching you. Come on, write. Let me see how Adya is trying. Try karo, Adya. Try karo. Come on. Try.
Ma'am, finished.
Very good.
Ma'am, finished, ma'am.
Yes, good children.
Excuse me,
Sara,
ma'am.
where is your
Ma'am?
8? Yes, ma'am.
In our system videos and problem,
Okay.
we cannot
Let
on
them
the
do the
camera, ma'am.
activity. You check it. That's it.
Okay,
Okay?
ma'am.
Yeah, fine. Very good. Come on. Correct only, Adya. Right. Correct only, right. Now you write, Adya, no one will hold your hand. No. Mama is not going to hold your hand. Then you will not get chocolate, ice cream, star and all. If you want chocolate, ice cream, stars, then you have to write on your own. Come on. Try and write. You can do it. Come on. Good girl, na Adya? Come on, try. See, look at your friends. Everyone is writing 8. Look at your friends, how they are writing. You also try to write 8. Very good.
Excuse me.
Very good, Sara. Good. Srinija has written. Srinija, Shravanya. Good. Tilakar, where is number 8? Good.
Ma'am, number 8.
Yeah, very good. Now erase it. Next number is 1, 0, 10. Write number 10. Let me see. 1, 0, 10. 1 and 0, 10. 1 and 0, 10. Good, sir. 10. Very good, Nimalan.
Ma'am, finish.
Srinija. Very good. Yes, both of you, your video is not visible. If you have done correctly, it's okay. Don't unmute yourself, okay? 1, 0, 10. Nakshatra, write 1, 0, 10. Nakshatra, no playing. 1, 0, 10. 1, 0, 10. Very good. 1, next 0. 10. 1, 0, 10. Good, Adarsh. Very good. Yukta, good.
Done.
Very good, Nitish. Good boy. 1, 0, 10. Okay, now the next number is 1, 1, 11. 1, 1, 11. See here. 1, 1, 11. 1, 1, 11. 1, 1, 11. Mm. 1, 1, 11. Tilakar, 1, 1, 11. I moved on to the next number. Yeah, 1, 1, 11. Very good, Nimalan. Yukta, good. Nimalan, good. Nitish, good. Srinija, good. Yeah, welcome, ma. Very good, Srinija. Very good, Adarsh. 1, 1, 11. Nakshatra, good. 1, 1, 11. Good. Very good, Adya. 1, 1, 11. Next is 1, 2, 12. Okay? 1. Write number 1 first. And then write number 2. 1, 2, 12. 1, 2, 12. Very good, Nakshatra. Good, Nakshatra. 1, 2, 12. Good, ma. Shravanya, good. Nakshatra, good. 1, 2, 12. First write number 1 and then write number 2. 1, 2, 12. Hey, good, Adarsh. Adarsh himself has written, 1, 1, 11 and all. Good, Sarah, good. Very good, Nitish. One, 2, 12. Very good, Yukta. One, 2, 12. Good, Adarsh. Adarsh is writing on his own,
Yes, ma'am. You know 1, 2, 3, ma'am. So you write 1, 2, 3.
4,
Other
he knows number 4. Write number 4, ma, Adarsh. Let me see. How will you write number 4? 4 எப்படி எழுதணும்? Standing line, sleeping line, standing line.
இந்த இங்க பாரு
Adarsh. Adarsh. இங்க பாருங்க, Adarsh.
மேம்
Standing line, sleeping line, standing line. அவ்வளவுதான் 4. Very good. அவ்வளவுதான் 4. Very good. Next 5 எழுதுங்க பார்க்கலாம். 5.
5 போடுமா
5. இங்க பாருங்க, sleeping line, standing line and a curve. Sleeping line, standing line and a curve.
கர்வ் போடு கர்வ் இங்க 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 finish பண்ணிட்டீங்க இப்படி கர்வ்ல
அப்படி இல்லம்மா, இப்படி. Very good, Nakshatra. Good, I saw yours. Hey, super. Very good. Next 6 number.
6 podamma.
See here. 6. All of you write number 6, children. All of you write number 6. See here. Number 6. Sarah, number 6 properly you write. Very good, ma Srinija. Sarah, 6, number 6. I'm watching you, Sarah. You think I'm not seeing you? I'm watching you. 6. Yeah, very good, Tilakar. 6. Very good, Nimalan. Nimalan has started writing well. Very good, Nimalan. Yeah, welcome, ma. That shows your practice. Very good. Practice like this at home, okay? Then even more perfectly you can write, Nimalan. Children, when you practice at home, when you are free only, you will be able to write the numbers as well as alphabet. Okay, when you are free, take your slate and try to write the numbers and alphabet. Then only you will get the perfect writing between the lines and all. Okay, don't waste your time watching TV and all. Regularly you have to practice when you are having enough time. In the evening, sit and practice with your parents. Okay. Very good, children. Thank you so much, children. Keep your slate. Yeah, go and come. Yeah, ma, go and come, Tilakar. Sarah, did you show number 6? Very good, Sarah. Still, Sarah is writing using dots, huh? Why for 6 you have kept dots
Number
for her?
6. Yes, ma'am. Number
Why?
6 is not it.
No,
Tell me.
Sarah, come on, write without dots. Let me see.
She can do it, ma'am.
Yeah, she is able to do. Come on, Sarah.
Try.
Sarah. Sarah, ma'am, கூப்பிடுறது கேக்குதா இல்லையா? Sarah.
Sarah.
Then only I'll give you smiley. See here, I have smiley here. If you want smiley, you have to write. Come on, write.
I have one.
You also have. I'll give mine also. Come on, write. Write 6. Look at your friends. Everyone is writing, no? Then what they'll say? Ayyo, Sarah doesn't know to write. They'll say like that. Come on, you write. Let me see. 6. Easy only write. Sarah can write.
No,
Sarah is such a good girl. Sarah will write. Come on. 6. Work out.
Up, go up.
That's it. Show me.
No, ma'am.
Show it properly. Why like that? In the same way have to go, Sarah. Same way. Don't separate the line and the curve. All together you have to write.
Go up.
From the beginning. See here, Sarah. Look at ma'am. Ma'am பாருங்க, Sarah. இங்க பாருங்க. Sarah. See here, ma'am has also drawn like you only, no? See here. A standing line like thing. Without taking the hand, you have to go to a curve. Avladan. That's it. Very good, Adarsh. Come on. Like this. That's it. Sarah, do it in the air like this. 6. That's it. Without taking your hand, don't separate circle and standing line separately. Make her write 1 to 10 numbers and send it to me, Sarah's mom.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Let me see how she is writing. Yeah, very good, children. Yeah, very good, Adya. 6, 6, 6. Perfect 6. Very good, Adya Sharma. Adya also wrote very good, girl. Good. Good, Yukta. Now all of you keep your slate aside. Clap hands for yourself. Very good. High five to ma'am. Everyone high five to ma'am. Very good. Well done. You have all tried very well. High five. Thank you, children. Now let's stand up. Let's start with Kids Anthem. Stand up. Join your hands and close your eyes. Let's start. Kidsy anthem. You are within me. You are infinite. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wind beneath my flight. You define me. My potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might, I shall achieve you, my potential inside. Yes, good morning, everyone. Good morning. Ready for attendance? 1 minute. Yes, come on. Adya.
बोल here I am. बोल yes ma'am.
Here I am. Very good, Adya. Ilango. Ilango is absent, I think. Okay. Very good, Nakshatra.
करना class वरिको.
Next, Nitish. Nitish. Very good, Nitish. Kevin. Kevin. Kevin is absent. Riyashri also absent today. Sarah. Very good. Pranavi. Pranavi. Pravina. Good. Srinija.
Here I am, Velina ma'am.
Yeah, good. Tilakar. Tilakar. Tilakar has gone to this room. Yukta.
Here I am, Velina ma'am.
Very good, Yukta. Kadambari. Shravanya. Shravanya. Very good, Shravanya. Mokshita. Mokshita. Nimalan.
Here I am, Velina ma'am.
Very good, Nimalan. Adarsh.
Sorry.
Very good, Adarsh. Okay, children, all of you stand up. Yes? What do you want? Stand up, all of you, for the warm-up activity. Come on.
Vanilla ma'am, you are presenting something, no? Because the screen is empty.
Run, all of you. It's very good. All of you drink one glass of water and come back. Go drink water and come back. If you want water, you can go and drink. It's ready. Others, you can play with your toy afterwards. Keep your toy aside. Yes. Coming up to our alphabet. First, what alphabet is this, children? What alphabet is this? What alphabet is this? A, capital A, small a. And what is the phonic sound for A? What is the phonic sound for A? Very good. Very good. Well done. Next letter. Yeah. Next letter. Only the phonic sound. Okay. Only the phonic sound. No need of phonic rhyme. Phonic sound alone. Next is what alphabet is this? Small B. What is the phonic sound? What is the phonic sound, children? No. Only the sound. I don't want the rhyme. Rhyme venda. Rhyme paadave vena. Only the sound. Ba. Ba. Okay. Sabarish, mute yourself, Sabarish. You need not answer. Let them answer. Next is C. Capital C. Small C. And what is the phonic sound? Ka. Tilakar. Tilakar. Is everyone please mute yourself? Tilakar, I want you to go inside, wear a t-shirt and come. Is this the way you sit in your classroom? C, capital C, small c. And the phonic sound is ka. We are clicking castanets. Ka. That one, okay? And next is capital D, small d. Capital D, small d. And what is the phonic sound? Da. Okay. Next is E. Capital E, small e. Yeah, mute yourself, ma. Capital E, small e. And phonic sound A. A. All of you do the action. A. A. Okay. Very good. Next is F. Capital F, small f. capital F, small f. And what is the phonic sound? What is the phonic sound? Okay. Next is G, capital G, small g. G, 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 g. What is the phonic sound? G, 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 g. Okay. Next is H, capital H, small h. Capital H, small h. What is the phonic sound? Ha, ha, ha. What is the phonic sound? Ha, ha, ha. Okay. Next is I, capital I, small I. What is the phonic sound for I? I. What is the phonic sound for I? E, 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 E. E, 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 E. Pranavi, Pravina, mute yourself. Pranavi and Pravina. E, 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 E. Inky the mouse is my pet. Next is J, capital J, small j. What is the phonic sound for J? Very good, Adarsh. J, j, j. Jelly and jam, jelly and jam. Okay, j, 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 j. Next is K. Don't sing Tilakar. No need to sing the rhyme. Only the sound I am asking. Listen first. Only the sound. No rhymes today. Okay. Next is K. Capital K. Small k. What is the phonic sound, Adya, for K? What is the phonic sound for K, Adya? Adya, phonic sound for K. What is the phonic sound? What is the phonic sound? Phonic sound batao. What is the phonic sound?
Capital K, small k,
Like बेटा वो वाला.
Phonic sound.
Kites are
K, 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 k.
ऐसे वाला.
K, k, k. Yeah. K, k, k. Kite. How will you fly the kite like this? K, k, k. Okay. Next is L. Shravanya, what is the phonic sound for L? Capital L, small l. Phonic sound for L. L. No rhyme. No rhyme. Only the sound. L. Roll your tongue up and say L. No nakshatra. Roll your tongue up. L, L, L. That is the phonic sound for L. Okay. Next is M. Capital M, small m. Yukta, what is the phonic sound for M? Capital M, small m. Rub your stomach and say Very good, Yukta. Next is N. Sarah, what is the phonic sound for N? Capital N, small n. What is the phonic sound for N? All of you do the action. Here the aeroplane. Okay. Next is O. Srinija. Capital O, small o. What is the phonic sound for O, Srinija? What is the phonic sound for O?
O.
Very good. O. Like this. This is the action. Okay? O. Okay? Next is P. P. Nimalan. Capital P, small p. What is the phonic sound for P? What is the phonic sound for P? What is the phonic sound? Pa. P sounds pa. Adya, what is the phonic sound for P? Pa. And the action is like this. Finger on your mouth and say pa. That is the phonic sound for P. Pa. Finger on your lips, all of you. Keep the finger on your lips like this and say pa. That is the phonic sound for P. Pa. Okay? And then Q sounds capital Q, small q. Q sounds qua. Okay? R. Next is R. Capital R, small r. Tilakar, what is the sound for R? Capital R, small r. What is the phonic sound for R? See my dog, rip the rag. Okay? And next is S. Capital S, small s. What is the phonic sound for S? Shravanya. Phonic sound for S. S, what is the phonic sound?
So
Nakshatra.
phonic sound for S.
If you don't know, you have to say I don't know, ma'am. Okay?
I don't know, ma'am.
This is the phonic sound.
Snake is in the grass.
Snake is in the grass. Okay. Next is T. Capital T, small t. What is the phonic sound for T, Nitish? What is the phonic sound for T? How will you play tennis, children? How will you play tennis? Tennis bat. How will you hold a tennis bat and play like this? No. Okay, that is the phonic sound for T. Next is U. Capital U, small u. Capital U. Adya, keep your toys down. Adya. Adya Sharma. Keep it down. Look at the screen. U. Capital U, small u. What is the phonic sound for U? Up go umbrellas. Up go umbrellas. Up goes umbrellas when it starts to rain. Okay. Next is V. Capital V, small v. What is the phonic sound for V, children? Anyone knows? Phonic sound for V. Ooh. What is that? Drive Vix van round the village. Drive Vix van round the village. Drive Vix van round the village. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Next is W. W. Capital W. Small w. What is the phonic sound for W? W. All of you keep your hands like this. W. Adarsh. Phonic sound for W. Shravanya. W. Very good, Nimalan. That is the phonic sound for W. And then X. Capital X. Small x. What is the phonic sound? How will you take a photo? Srinija. Phonic sound for X. What is the phonic sound? Take an X-ray. Take an X-ray. Take an X-ray. X-ray of my hand. Okay. Next is Y. Capital Y. Small y. Yogurt and bananas. Do you remember yogurt and bananas? Yeah. Yogurt and bananas. Okay. And finally Z. What is the phonic sound? Z. How the buzz will buzz? Bees will buzz like this. This is the action. Okay. And now, children, today we are going to learn a new alphabet. Small letters we have learned A, B, C. Right. Today we are going to, this is A. This is small letter B, C. And today we are going to learn D. How will you write D? Standing line and a back curve. D. Standing line, the back side curve. D. This is small letter D. But for B, you will draw a standing line and you will draw a curve front side. Don't confuse yourself, children. For B, you will be drawing the curve front side like this. But for D, you will draw it back of the standing line. Standing line ku pinnadi varayano curve. That is small letter D. Okay, now all of you take your worksheet. Worksheet number 11, LT. Worksheet number 11, B11, LT. D11, LT. Write today's date. Today's date is 1/9/19.
Ma'am, page
Dash.
number.
D11 LT 1919 dash 7 dash 2121. First, try to write with your pointer finger, children. With your pointer finger from number 1. Come down, standing line, number 1. And then from number 2, a curve, back side of the standing line. D. Standing line.
Done, ma'am.
Yeah, very good one. Finish. Very good, Nitish. You can carry on with the next page also, Nitish.
Okay.
Let others also finish. Yeah, very good. Right, ma, Nimalan, finish.
He's writing next page, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Good. Good, ma, Nimalan. Everyone has finished the D page. Shravanya finished first page D.
Say, finished or not? Answer to ma'am. Whether you're writing or not.
Those are finished. Yeah, good, ma. Those are finished. You can carry on with the next page. Let others finish. We'll move on to the next worksheet. Finished, Adya? Yeah, very good, Yukta. Good. Okay, our next worksheet is D12LT. D12LT. Those are finished. Take D12LT.
I'm D12, right?
D12LT. D12 only, I think. Yeah, D12LT only. Trace the letters, color the objects that starts with the same letter sounds. C and D, both you'll have. Write today's date. Finish. Now start writing. C. Phonic sound for C is K. See which picture starts with the phonic sound K. Camel or rose? Yukta, C for camel or rose? Camel or rose? Which yeah, very good. Circle it. First circle it, children. First circle the picture. And then only we'll color, okay? Then write D. D sounds D. D cap or duck. Which sounds D, cap or duck? Where can you hear the D sound? Cap or duck, children? Who will answer this? D for duck or D for cap? Very good, duck. Circle duck. And next again you have C. C for candle or basket. Which will you circle, children? What, ma?
Candle.
Yeah, candle, k sound. You can hear the k sound in the candle. So circle candle. Next is D. D sounds D. Where can you hear the D sound? See in this picture. Door or cat. D sound. எதுல D sound கேக்குது? Door or cat? In which you can hear the D sound? Door or cat?
Door.
Very good. Door. Door. Cat is k sound, okay? So you should not circle. And finally, after circling, you can color, children. Camel, duck, candle, door. These 4 pictures you can color. C for camel. D for duck. C for candle. D for door. Have to identify the pictures using the phonic sound, children. Wherever you can see the k sound, that picture you have to circle for C. Wherever you can hear the D sound, that picture you are going to circle for D. After circling it, color, children. Finish tracing it, circling it, and then finally you color. What Adarsh is doing? Adarsh?
மேம் கூப்பிடுறாங்க பாரு என்ன பண்றது
ஆதர்ஷ் என்ன பண்றீங்க ஆதர்ஷ்?
Sure.
Tracing.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do it. Yes, Tilakar. Finish. Very good, Tilakar. Srinija. Very good, Tilakar. Children, identify the pictures using the phonic sound. K sound means C. K. Candle. Hold the crayon properly and color, Sarah. Hold it properly and color. Color, Sarah. I am watching you only. I have pinned you only. Come on, color.
Slow button, fast button, slow button, hot button, slow button,
Huh?
hot button.
Curve pattern.
It looks like button.
Chacho. Come on, color, start. Start coloring. Hold the crayon properly and color. Hold it properly and color.
எப்படி hold பண்ணணும்? No baby hold பண்ணல. அப்புறம்
Yes, very good, Shravanya. Finish. Very good. Very good. Well done. Ishta, good. Shravanya, good. Nimalan, very good.
slow down. Better.
Adya, finish coloring. Very good, Adya. Good girl. Children, tomorrow is Green Day celebration. Okay, all of you have to dress up in green color. Okay, your dress color should be in green, and then you have to bring any object that is green in color, and you have to talk about it. Any 2 sentences, if you speak, that is enough. Okay, bring any green color object and talk about it. Any 2 sentences is enough. Color in green color. Why? Because tomorrow is Green Day celebration. Understood? Yes? Will you all bring any green color objects tomorrow? Yes? Any vegetable that is green or any toy, whatever you have in green color, you can bring that and talk about it. 2 sentences about it. Okay, children, hope you all have finished your worksheets. Thanks for your cooperation. See you tomorrow. Bye, children. Bye, everyone. Bye. Yeah, bye, ma. Yeah, bye. Bye, Nitish. Bye, Shavanya. Bye, Tilakar. Bye, Adya. Bye, Nakshatra.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Nim.
Nimalan was star, ma'am.
Star,
He's
I didn't
telling,
bring
ma'am.
Nimalan actually today. But let me see if I have ice cream, I'll give you. Wait. I have ice cream.